Welcome to ANDT, we build a career path. Let's explore course most selling course of this year. Advanced Certification in Inspection Engineering. This course duration is 6 months. Syllabus of this course includes ASNT, NDT Level 1 and Level 2. Welding Inspection. Material Inspection. ASME codes. Quality Control and Assurance. Corrosion Inspection. Safety Regulations. Risk Assessment. Metrology and Measurement. Documentation and Reporting. Environmental and Regulatory Compliance. Codes and Standards Interpretation. Failure Analysis. Advanced Inspection Technologies. Root Cause Analysis. Legal and Ethical Considerations. Project Management. Communication and Interpersonal Skills. Continuing Education and Professional Development. Eligible for full course with ASNT NDT Level 2 International Certification. 12th, Science, and above. ITI Diploma Tech. Eligible for full course with ASNT NDT Level 1 International Certification. 12th, Arts Commerce, and above. Scope after completion of the courses in various industries, such as oil gas, thermal power plant, heavy equipment fabrication, manufacturing, aerospace and defense, railways etc. Training modes. Online classes, classroom training, hands-on practical experience. Post-completion of the course, placement assistance is also available. Freshers get job immediately after completion of the course, whereas we schedule job interviews for experienced professionals. Experienced professionals can visit www.nt.co.in and go to career section and apply for the job in India and abroad. For more info and admission, call now at +9 1828506376 or email us at training@nt.co.in.